know our love is strong. I feel your touch so close to me. So baby, don't be long. Walk with me, talk with me, feel my touch close to me. Take my hand to the promised land.
Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to explain how to set up a Turbosmart compact dual port blow-off valve. I've had a few viewers asking how to set their bob up to get the classic blow-off noise. Yep, so when you've installed your blow-off valve to your car, it should be preset between the soft and hard setting. I used the OE vacuum line when I installed my blow-off valve. It's a bit of a mix-up if I could use the OE line or if I had to use the aftermarket vacuum line, which was included in the box. The instructions weren't very clear. I'll pin the video up which I did about this. Yeah, but you can definitely use the OE vacuum line. So what is soft and hard setting? Well, this is the adjustment of the spring tension on the piston. So if the blow-off valve is set at a too hard setting, it holds more boost. But the problem is with setting it too hard would be that the valve wouldn't open properly at low boost, which makes the valve flutter. This leads to compressor surge of the turbo, which can eventually lead to possible turbo damage. If the spring is set way too soft, then the valve will stay open while the car is idling. This causes the car to drop below normal idle speed or even stalling. This setting decreases the tension of the spring on the piston. So how do you properly set up your compact dual port blow-off valve? I turned the blow-off valve cap anti-clockwise to the maximum soft setting. The O-ring indicator groove should just be covered by the edge of the cap. Do not rotate beyond here. So I don't know if you can see it without it going out of focus, but so you want to turn it obviously to your left, which is anti-clockwise. I'll see if you can get the O-ring in. I don't know if you can see it. You might be able to see the O-ring slightly at the edge of the cap there, but that's a maximum soft setting which you want to start at. Yeah, so at maximum soft setting you get the classic blow-off valve noise, usually around about when you rev to about 4,000 RPM while driving or freestanding revving. That's where mine's at now. So with your engine running at idle, the exhaust port should be closed off by the piston. This shouldn't be floating or moving when the car's stationary and it's idling. So that's the piston there. So when your car's idling, it shouldn't be floating or moving. It should be fully closed off. Yep, so at idle, the piston there, it shouldn't be floating or moving. It should be fully closed like that one there. So once that's okay, free rev the engine and back off quickly. The engine should return to normal idle speed. If the engine revs drop below idle or stall, turn the bob cap clockwise to one turn. So turn the top of this cap to your right by one turn, and that's towards the hard setting. Yep, so repeat the process until the engine free revs and the idle drops back to normal without dropping underneath idling or even stalling. I'll show us on the video now. Yeah, so once you're happy with that, test drive the car and ensure that when de-accelerating or changing gears that the engine has minimal backfiring and no stalling. If you do get a backfiring and maybe almost a bit of stalling while driving the car, just check all connections. If they're okay, increase the spring tension by one turn towards a hard setting, and just repeat the process until you're happy with the setup. And like I say, when you're revving it, it doesn't drop below idle or almost stall. You should go back to normal idle. This piston should stay closed when you're not revving it. It should start sat at idle, and when you're test driving it, you shouldn't get backfiring or almost stalling in the car. Yeah, so if you have the bob set to maximum soft setting and you have no issues with like idling too low or stalling or any backfiring, this is where I've got mine set up to maximum soft setting. You can see the O-ring there on the edge of the bob cap. The benefit is you get the classic loud blow-off noise around, you know, 3,500 to 4,000 revs. Yeah, so I hope this video helps you with setting up your own Turbosmart compact dual port blow-off valve. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications of more upcoming videos I'm going to do. Thanks for watching.